Hi, welcome to my channel Glamour World by Ritika. Hope you all guys are doing well. I am also doing well. So if you are seeing this face for the first time, let me introduce. Hi, my name is Ritika and this is my YouTube channel Glamour World by Ritika. I post a video in every week about makeup, skincare and other beauty related videos. So if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so whenever I post any video you will get the notification first. So today in this video I am going to share with you guys what I shop from the Nykaa Pink sale. So there are more lipstick than makeup products. So yeah, maybe you will get some amazing lipstick shades and recommendations. So further any intro, let's get started. So I'm going to start the video with my favorite beauty product, which is highlighters. So this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. Let me show you the pigmentation of this highlighter first. Just see the pigmentation of this highlighter. Oh my god, even Shreya Jain duped this highlighter with the MAC highlighter. So I will highly suggest this highlighter in upcoming Nykaa sale. Now let's start with the lipstick. So I have 4 lipstick and they all are from Nykaa. So I'm going to start with the Nykaa Mini Liquid Lipstick. So this is the shade 16 Boho and this lipstick each retails for 249 and you can get 1.2 ml of product. So let me just swatch it first. So this is the shade Boho. It's a beautiful dark pink kind of shade, suits on fair to medium skin tone. I like the lipstick formulation. It stays onto your lips about 8 to 10 hours, which was mind blowing. I will highly suggest this lipstick as well. So I have another liquid lipstick from Nykaa. So the second one is the Nykaa Molten Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is the lip and cheek color. You can use it as a blush as well, but I don't think this color will be used as a blush. So this is in the shade Spencer 11. This lipstick a little bit of runny consistency. I don't know why, but again it's a beautiful deep purple kind of shade, suits on fair skin tones. It stays onto your lips about 3 to 4 hours. But I think for the price, the pigmentation is very sheer. You have to apply 2 coats at least to get the coverage. So I am not going to suggest this lipstick highly, but if you are looking for a lip and cheek cream in reasonable price, then I will suggest this lipstick. Okay, so now move to the third lipstick. So this is Masaba by Nykaa and this is the shade Calling Me Softly. Just look at the packaging. The packaging was so fancy, you will fall in love. And I just love this shade as well. Just look at the color. This lipstick is a cream lipstick, but it's look totally matte onto your lips and does not smudge at all. The formulation of this lipstick was creamy, pretty creamy, but it stays matte into your lips. So I will highly suggest this lipstick as well. And this is probably my favorite lipstick from now. Alright, move to the last lipstick in my collection. So this is the Nykaa lipstick and this is in the shade Notorious Red 001M. So this is a red color. So if you are looking for a red shade which is not too dark and not too light, then this is the shade. I just love the lipstick shade. Even I am wearing this right now on my lips. So yeah, highly suggest this lipstick as well. Alright, so the last product I bought from the Nykaa Cosmetics is their Nykaa Curl Power Waterproof Mascara. The mascara is nothing fancy, guys, trust me. It does not do what it claims. Like, it says curl power, it does not even curl your lashes and don't add volume at all. You will find many other good mascaras in this price, so I'm not going to suggest this mascara. Alright, moving to the eyeshadows. So I have 2 eyeshadow options and they both are from Swiss Beauty. So the one is Swiss Beauty Loose Foil Pigment and this is in the shade 03 and the another is Swiss Beauty Jelly Eyeshadow and this is in the shade maybe green. I just throw out the package. I will share the link in my description box with the shade, don't worry. So let's first swatch the jelly eyeshadow. So this is a jelly consistency eyeshadow, as you can see. So let's take the jelly eyeshadow first and let me just swatch it. So it's a pretty color. It's a sea green kind of color. There was little bit of shimmers in there, but yeah, I like the color, and soon I'm going to create a look with this, so stay tuned. Alright, now let's move into the loose foil. Those who don't know what loose foil is basically a powder eyeshadow which comes in a loose bottle, and there were shimmers and everything. So let me just swatch it. Look at the pigmentation. Oh my goodness, it's a dark blue and there were little bit of shimmers in there, and I'm going to create a look with this as well very soon. I like both of the eyeshadows pigmentation, the formulation and everything, so I will highly suggest both of the eyeshadows. So last but not the least, let's just quickly talk about the free product. So there was going on offer, if you shop 600 and more from the Nykaa Cosmetics, then you will get the Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. So I bought so many Nykaa products and I get this kajal for free. It glides onto your eyes like butter, but it does not smudge proof and waterproof at all, but it's okay. But if you are not going to get it for free, I will not suggest this. Instead of, you can buy the Nykaa Kajal. I will give it the Kajal link too in my description box, so you guys can go and check that out. That's what I shop from the Nykaa Pink Sale. Don't forget to share with me what you shop from the Nykaa Pink Sale. And yeah, that's all about today's video. I'm going to give all the products link in my description box. Don't forget to check that out. So yeah, thank you for watching. I love you guys. I will be back soon with my another new video.